Hello friends, in this lesson we will learn how to knit socks. These are ankle high socks. Layout shows how we will work the pattern in terms of stitches, increase and decrease in stitches, cast on 35 stitches, first row, knit all, will knit in all rows, knit, purl, casting on, casting off, all explained in earlier videos. If you missed it, you can go back to watch basic knitting videos. Here completes first row. Second row will knit all except one. Last stitch, knit in front of stitch and knit in back of stitch, thereby increasing one stitch. You will increase similarly 5 stitches on either side. Pattern worked in the form of rows. Here you can see 5 stitches increase on both sides. Now we will see how to decrease a stitch. First slip stitch 1, then knit 1, pass slip stitch over. In this way we will reduce one stitch. Row 12 to 35 explained in slide and sample pattern for reference. Row 36 to 45 explained in this slide. Now we'll first knit 20 stitches. Now we'll start casting off stitches. We'll cast 15 stitches. Cast off stitches 15. In the end, you will left with 10 stitches on left hand needle. Knit last 10 stitches. See how the pattern looks. Knit last 10. We'll knit next 12 rows. Tie yarn as shown in video. It's the 47th row. We'll decrease first stitch. Knit 1, knit second, pass the stitch over. In this way we'll decrease one stitch. Now knit all. Forty-eighth row, reverse side, knit all. In this way you will reduce 3 stitches. See here we are seeing one stitch is reduced. Row wise pattern is given in slide form, and after increasing 3 stitches how it will look and how to increase stitches is shown in video. knit in front of the stitch and knit in back, thereby increasing one stitch. It's 53rd row. Knit all. On reverse side, 54th row, knit all. In this way you will increase 3 stitches. Row wise pattern from row number 47 to 57 is given. Now we'll cast on stitches, 15 stitches to join these two portions. Knit first stitch, first stitch, and again and bring it back on left hand needle. In this way you will increase 15 stitches. Shown in video how to do it. It's row number 60. Now continue knitting the 10 stitches what we have kept apart to join the two parts together. Now you will have 45 stitches. See how it looks now. We are having 45 stitches on. It's row number 61. Knit all 45 stitches. In end we'll reduce one stitch, and in this fashion we'll reduce five stitches on either side, and it's the last row. We'll cast off stitches. In this way you will cast off all the stitches to complete. See the final how it looks. Now fold it, cut the yarn, and stitch it with the help of needle. In this way you will stitch on edges. Row wise pattern is given till last row, 71st. If you wish, you can do the embroidery. Thanks for watching.